Thinking about switching banks, or maybe you're already a customer of Poppy Bank and you're wondering, does Poppy Bank actually support Apple Pay and Google Pay? It's a great question, because in today's world, mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay are more than just a convenience, they're practically a necessity. We use them for everything from a quick coffee run to buying tickets online, and not having that option with your primary bank card can be a major friction point. The good news is that most modern banks recognize this need. They know that offering compatibility with the biggest mobile payment platforms is key to providing a seamless experience for their customers. So, let's get right to the point. When we look at Poppy Bank services and their commitment to modern banking, the answer is a bit nuanced, and the best information often comes directly from the source or the payment providers. While Poppy Bank offers a feature-rich mobile app, and their personal debit and credit cards include mobile purchasing capability for added convenience, to confirm full compatibility with Apple Pay and Google Pay specifically, you would typically need to check the official lists of participating banks provided by Apple and Google. These lists are the definitive authority on which banks support their respective mobile wallet services. Now, here's the important takeaway: regardless of what's on those lists right this second, if you're a Poppy Bank customer, the absolute quickest way to check if your specific debit or credit card is supported is to simply try adding it to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet app. The mobile wallet applications are designed to instantly verify if your card's issuing bank and card type are compatible. If it works, great. You're all set. If it doesn't, the app will let you know right away, and that's your answer. If you get a not supported message, a quick call to Poppy Bank's customer service can provide you with the most current information regarding their mobile wallet rollout plans. In the meantime, remember that Poppy Bank does offer a robust mobile banking app for managing your accounts, transfers, and mobile check deposits. They're certainly moving with the times. But for those tap-to-pay moments, that quick test in the app is your final answer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.